Parker, what do you have?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Earlier, he had an accident and put some
Give me a friend
so like, obviously
before you
it
leave.
sticks out like in the back. I said, oh no, Tuck, you have a tail. And he said, I have a tail, I have a tail.
Hey, Cam. Campbell. Can you say cheese? Are you going to blow some bubbles for the camera? Blow some bubbles. Good job. Good bubble blowing.
Wow, look at that.
Good job, buddy. Now come
That's a north wind. I'm getting out of here before.
Can you come give Pear a high five? Can you come blow a bubble for Pear? Good job. You're a good bubble blower.
She is.
Uh-oh.